In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a lead magnet funnel in GoHighLevel. Let's start inside your GoHighLevel sub-account. Before we build anything, make sure you already have a simple form that captures key details like name and email, and that your free ebook is uploaded to the media library with the share link copied. Having these ready will save you time later. Head to Sites, then Funnels. A lead magnet funnel is a short, focused sequence that offers something valuable, in this case, your ebook, in exchange for contact information. It's designed to convert a visitor into a lead with as little friction as possible. Click New Funnel. In GoHighLevel, a funnel is a series of connected pages with a single conversion goal. Name this one Free Ebook Funnel for clarity and click Create. Next, add your steps. Create your first step and name it Opt-in Page. This is where visitors will see the ebook offer and complete your form. Click Create Funnel Step. Then add another step and name it Thank You Page. This page confirms the submission and sets the next expectation for the lead. Click Create Funnel Step again. Open the opt-in page and choose Create from Blank so you have full control. Click Insert Element, then drag the form element into the page. Click the element, select your existing form, and choose the ebook form you prepared. Save your changes, then click Publish so the page is live. Click Back when you're done. Now let's automate the delivery. Go to Automation. Automation is the engine that runs behind the scenes, triggering follow-up actions as soon as someone completes your form. No manual work required. Click Create Workflow, then start from scratch to build a dedicated flow. Rename it to something clear like Ebook Workflow. Add a new trigger and choose Form Submitted. This ensures the workflow runs the moment someone submits your opt-in form. Save the trigger. Click the plus icon to add an action. Actions are the steps the system will take automatically after the trigger fires. Choose Send Email. Give the action a clear name. Select the sending user so the email comes from the right inbox. In the email content, write a concise thank you message and paste the direct link to your ebook from the media library. Save the action. Publish your workflow, then click Save. You've now created a complete lead magnet funnel that captures leads and automatically delivers your ebook. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.